Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make pollo con rajas en crema, another one of my favorite budget-friendly and under 30-minute meal. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by seasoning our 2 pounds of chicken breast with salt and black pepper. And just make sure to cut your chicken into thin strips. Okay, once we have our chicken, we can get ready to make our crema. To a blender cup, we're going to be adding 1 cup of media crema, or you can use crema mexicana. To that, we're going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 jalapeno or serrano pepper, 1 garlic clove, 1 roasted poblano pepper, 3/4 of a cup of water or milk, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and we're just going to be blending into smooth. Okay, once we have our crema, we can get ready to cook it all together. To our skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. We're just going to allow the butter to melt. Okay, so once the butter melts and our skillet is nice and hot, we're going to add our chicken and just layer it in a single layer. Okay, we're just going to allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we're going to add 1 onion and 5 roasted poblano peppers. Make sure you cut them into rajas. Going to mix it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add our corn. Make sure to drain it. Mix it, allow it to cook for 1 minute. And after the minute, we're going to add our crema. Add a little bit more water or milk to your blender cup. We're just going to mix it, allow it to come to a simmer. And once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now I'm just going to sprinkle a little queso Oaxaca or use your favorite melting cheese or whatever you have in hand. I'm going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Okay, so now we're just going to allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we can now get ready to serve. Okay, and I'm just going to be serving with the side of white rice. Alrighty guys, and now we can get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this dish is seriously super easy to make, so delicious, so flavorful. It is one of my favorite recipes, so I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And of course, you know, to speed it up, you can always just roast the peppers the night before and just have them ready by the time that you're cooking this dish. But you can never go wrong with this. And I like to enjoy it with a tostada. The best. Chicken, the crema, everything. Just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make my super easy and delicious pollo con rajas en crema. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.